In this video, I'll show you how to connect N8N to Google Calendar in just a few simple steps. If you want to automate scheduling, create events, update calendars, or trigger workflows based on your calendar, this connection is a must-have. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick N8N walkthroughs. First, open the workflow you want inside N8N. This can be an existing workflow you're already building or a brand new one that you want to connect to Google Calendar. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel. From there, search for and choose Google Calendar. After you add the Google Calendar node, you'll see the available actions. Choose any action you want based on what you're trying to do, such as creating an event, getting calendar details, or managing calendar items. The important part here is simply selecting an action so the node can be configured properly. Next, click Sign in with Google to connect it. This will open the Google authentication window where you can log in with the Google account that has access to the calendar you want to use. Follow the sign-in prompts and approve the connection so N8N can access your Google Calendar account securely. Once the connection is complete, your Google Calendar node will be ready to use inside the workflow. From here, you can continue building out your automation and testing your setup, and that's it. You've now connected N8N to Google Calendar. If this helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.